Hi and welcome to my Halloween special. Choosing a spooky Halloween costume with headscarf is not easy, but I'll show you how I did mine. So what we need is, this is what I wear under my headscarf, 2 horns for both sides, a pack of fake roses, hot glue, and 2 cardboards. So, what I do first is I put one of the cardboards under the hot glue, so my table won't get damaged. The second step is to put the headscarf on the cardboard like this, and to mark the 2 points on both sides, here like this, for the horns. That's where I'll stick them. So now you start with sticking one of the horns to one of the sides of the headscarf. Now cut these ends of the roses. Like this. So you can stick them to the headscarf. If you finished one side like this, you can turn it around and go on with the other side. Here again, first start with a horn and then cut the ends of the roses and stick them to the headscarf all around the horn. What I have next are these roses, like this, and also white roses because they match my outfit. I'm going to cut them like this. Yes. And then I'll stick them to the headscarf. After letting it dry, it should look like this. So let's get started with the makeup tutorial. First of all, I use this whitening cream. What I like about this cream is that it's buildable, so you can create many layers, as many as you like to. I go with 2 layers. Sponge, of course. Let's start. Now I'll go on with the second layer. As you can see, it leaves your face look natural, but much brighter than before. That's exactly the look I want to create for my Halloween costume, because I think it should look like some kind of doll, so a very bright face, but not unnatural, not like a ghost. Yes, and also put some on your throat, because if you don't do that, it might look kind of strange with a dark throat and a bright face. So just put on. As always, the second step is the area here under my eyes. It's very dark. I don't know why, but it's always dark. So I'll use this liquid camouflage, as I always do, with a brush. And you can cover your blemishes with it too, but don't use too much of it because it's not as bright as the whitening cream is. So we don't want to have darker spots in our face, right? Just a little. And also here in the waterline. I always do that. I think it's much more beautiful because if not, as you can see, the waterline is very dark and it's not nice. go on with the eye makeup. For the eyeshadow, I use this. I start with this color and with the applicator that's in the box. Usually I don't put much eye makeup on because I like a natural look, but today I want to create a deep burgundy style, so I'll put as much as to this line here up there of the eyeshadow. And also down here. Alright, same on the other side. I'm so sorry, but I forgot to press the start button of my camera. So as you can see, I put on some of the red eyeshadow in the outer corners of my eyes. Just do it like blocking out the first color into the second one, like this. And then I use the golden eyeshadow like this, just in the middle here. Same on the other side. So, now I want to have some more sparkly golden eyes here in the inner corners, and that's why I'll be using this one. Looks like this. As you can see, it's a very nice shiny golden one. Just in the inner corners, like this. Yeah, perfect. Now, that's perfect so far. Let's go on with the eyeliner. I use this one from Toly Moly. The color is called Burgundy, but I think it's more like a brown, dark brown, but I like it and it's perfect for this look. Just start at the middle of your eye and go to the outside. Now for the lashes, I'll use this mascara. It's the brown one, as you can see. Number 2. Now for the under eyelid and the under lashes, I have different stylings of doing them. For today I'll go with the corners only, like this, because that creates big eyes. We're not done yet with the eyes, because now I'll apply fake lashes, these ones, and I only cut the first 3 lashes because it's much easier to apply them like this, just like that. course. I go with this one. So, what is important when you're applying false lashes? First of all, use a mirror in an angle like this, which makes you look down to it, because that will make it much easier to apply them. Second is not to apply too much of the glue, and first let it dry before you apply it onto the eyelid. Now I'll show you one more trick for the falsies. Use this to put your natural lashes together with the false lashes, like this. Now I'll use this eyeliner. It's a brown one, a dark brown one, yes, with a tip like this, to draw in small circles under my eyes. For the blush, I'll use this one, which has a nice coral shade, but it's matte. So if you don't want it to be cakey on your face, you should apply some mist on your sponge first, and then you can use it. Just apply it with the sponge here. Now I go on with the lips. I want only this area to be applied, so I first need this and the brush, and I'll put some concealer in the corners. Now the last step is this one, this side of course, and the brush. First I apply with the applicator some of it in the inner side of the lips. Then I'll use the brush to smooth it out and create a gradient look. Now for an extra special look, there's only one step left. I'll use this eye stick again, but I'll use it to cover my eyebrows a bit, to create golden eyebrows. Perfect, now that's it, we're done. So that was my tutorial for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, leave a nice comment, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. So, have a nice Halloween. See you guys next time. Bye.